This is the Pool Life NST chlorine feeder, designed exclusively for using Pool Life NST Prime Cal Hypo chlorine tablets. If you've installed any other inline chlorine feeder, you'll instantly be familiar with how to install this product. The feeder should be located after the pump and filter and downstream from the pool heater. Before beginning, shut off the pump and close off any valves before the install location. Once you've located the install location, measure and cut out the section of pipe for your feeder. We recommend installing with standard 2-inch unions. Set the unions in place on the pipe and feeder. Be sure to double check the fit before gluing. An arrow on the feeder indicates the correct water flow direction. Install the feeder on the 2-inch unions and your feeder is in place. If the feeder will be installed below water level, add isolation valves before and after the feeder to prevent overflow when the cover is removed. And don't worry, no special inserts are required for variable speed pumps. This feeder works out of the box with variable speed. For winter or servicing, use the bottom drain to remove all water from the feeder. To set up the feeder for operation, you'll need to add chlorine tabs. Make sure the pump is off and isolation valves are closed where applicable. Remove the cover with a quarter turn and you can access the tablet chamber. Always use caution when removing the lid and do not inhale any chlorine fumes. Now you can load the removable cartridge. It's specially designed to hold only NST Prime Cal Hypo chlorine tablets. Use only calcium hypochlorite tablets. Never mix different tablet chemistries in the feeder. A fire or explosion may result. Once loaded, slide the cartridge back into the feeder. Before replacing the cover, make sure the O-ring is clean and in place. The O-ring is self-lubricating, so as long as it's clean, you should be good to go. Use the flow control valve to adjust your chlorine output. Make sure any isolation valves are open and check the feeder drain port is closed. Then turn on the pump and you're in operation. After 24 hours, you can check the chlorine level and adjust the valve if needed to modify chlorine output. This is the only feeder designed to work with NST Prime Cal Hypo chlorine tablets. It is simple to install and easy to operate. Thanks for watching.